In this video, we will show you how to install Geotab's Go Rugged device. The Go Rugged can be installed in a variety of assets. Installation methods may vary based on the asset. Make sure you have the correct Go Rugged harness needed to complete the installation. Find a suitable mounting location for the Go Rugged with a clear view of the sky and minimal metal obstruction. To do a through-hole mount, you can mount the device with the cable coming out of the back. Alternatively, you can remove the sliding cap to direct the cable through the side of the device. Mount the unit using the screws provided in the kit. If you run the cabling through a panel, use grommets to prevent any wire chafing. In some cases, you may need to depin and repin the Go Rugged connector. Using needle nose pliers, remove the locking wedge. Next, use the mini flat screwdriver provided in the kit to unlock the first spring pin. Then, gently remove the pin from the other side. Repeat this step for all of the pins. To repin the socket, gently push the pins back into the correct holes until you hear and feel them lock into place. Reinsert the locking wedge in its original position to lock all the pins. Repeat the same steps for the other connectors. Next, route your connectors towards the power source. Take a multimeter, then verify a suitable ground, along with the constant power source and switched ignition. When hardwiring, take the wiring harness and use the fuse holders and consumables in the kit provided to assist with the installation. Finalize all power connections and plug the wiring harness into the Go Rugged device. Verify all 3 lights are on solid and complete the installation check using installmygps.com. The Go Rugged installation is now complete.